Hope you're doing amazing. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to join a club in Brawl Stars in 2024. Now, if you've been playing Brawl Stars and you want to join a club or a group, it is very easy. It's a bit grindy, though, especially when you just started out. So what you want to do is go look at your upper left corner of your screen. It's going to say your name, and beside your name is going to be your trophy road. So if you tap on your trophy road like so, it's going to say gain trophies to unlock rewards. So to unlock clubs, you need to have at least 400 trophies. So as you can see, we are at over 7,600. Yep. And if you go to 400 over here, let's go 400. There you go. Clubs unlocked at 400. So once you have reached 400 trophies, immediately you will be unlocking clubs, and you will be automatically put in a club that, you don't need to join, because you automatically will be brought to a club. So that's how you join clubs. That's how you unlock clubs in Brawl Stars. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.